this business research is used is, see, if you really want to make a proper decision, that is accurate decision, so that your decision should maximize the profit. But what happen is many people will give lots of input from their end, okay, and you really don't know which input I have to accept it. Then this business research plays an important role, because whenever you're giving this research to a research department, they will see in different aspects, okay, and then you can see that you can find no, this two or more action will be blended in such a way that you will get a proper one quality statement, where you can, once you can implement that decision, it will give a maximize profit. உங்களுக்கு வந்து ரிசர்ச் டிபார்ட்மெண்ட்ல கொடுக்கும்போது உங்களுக்கு பார்த்தீங்கன்னா அதுக்கு முன்னாடி நீங்க நிறைய பேர்கிட்ட கொடுக்கும்போது நிறைய பேர் டிஃப்ரெண்ட் அவுட்புட் சாரி இன் அவங்களோட இன்புட் கொடுப்பாங்க. பட் யூ ஆர் த ஒன் ஹூ இஸ் கோயிங் டு டேக் அ டிசிஷன், பட் you really don't know which one is a quality input from your friend circle or whoever it may be. But when you give to a research person, then what happen is they will take, they will take all the information, collect the data, they will analyze it, and then finally they will give you a proper output. Okay, so that is a proper input to you. So once you take that input and then when you implement it, okay, then it will leads to a maximizing your profit. Why? Because okay, they have already done the analyzing part, so they know what will be the output which I am going to get it, and that is nothing but maximize your profit. Okay, so now we are going to see what are the different types of research. So I am going to tell you the basic one. Okay, there are two types of research. From that it will be like divided into more part, but this one I'm going to teach you the two types of research. This is the basic one. Okay, basic research and applied research. This is the main two parts of a basic and applied research. So what is meant by basic research? Basic research abdina enna? See, it is nothing but see, there are many people who gives their own view. Okay, for example, simple example, just want to say, if I ask you like how to do a parenting, okay, so to you, no, if I ask you the question like, students just tell me like how we can do parenting, or like how to make my children to grow up in a quality way. So since you guys don't have any knowledge about parenting, because you are still a children, okay, but based upon your knowledge or whatever your surroundings, you are giving your view, or what your mother says, what your father says, or what your friend's father says, mother says, or what your friend says. Based on that view, you are collecting it and you are making a general statement, and whatever question I'm asking it, based on that you are telling me the answer. Okay, and this concept has been embedded in your or inculcated in your brain about your basic foundation, like how to parenting your children. Since you are just a kid, so you know the basic part. Okay, when I say applied research, you have already taken the basic from your friends, surroundings, whatever it may be. You have already bridged and made it as a knowledge. But when it comes to an applied, okay, where you're going to apply it? Once you get married, then after that, once you get a baby, in order to grow up that baby, during that time you're going to apply this by means of a practical way of parenting. Then only you can come to know what and all the problem comes, okay, what and all the solution will be there, because you are self-realizing it by directly applying to the foundation which has already embedded in your brain.